Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here you have information about online seminars and study manuals for exams P, FM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU-actuary. And here's a problem for today for exam P. Let x be a random variable that takes on the values -1, 0, and 1 with equal probabilities. Let y be equal to x squared. Which of the following is true? And you have 5 choices, covariance being positive or 0 or negative, and then whether the random variables x and y are dependent or independent. So if you study my study manual, you know that this example has been in my study manual since 2004. Somebody copied it and submitted it to the Society of Actuaries, and apparently got paid for the problems that people submit to the SOA for consideration for exam P use. Well, that's troubling, but that's the way things sometimes happen. So we have the expected value of x equal to 1/3 times -1 plus 1/3 times 0 plus 1/3 times 1, and that's 0. And the expected value of y is 1/3 times -1 squared plus 1/3 times 0 squared plus 1/3 times 1 squared, and that's 2/3. Also, e of xy is 1/3 times -1 times -1 squared plus 1/3 times 0 times 0 squared plus 1/3 times 1 squared, and that's equal to 0. Therefore, the covariance of x and y is e of xy minus e of x times e of y is 0 minus 0 times 2/3, and that's 0. So the covariance of the two is 0. On the other hand, x and y are dependent, as you can expect from their relationship that y is equal to x squared. But to show the dependence more formally, note that the probability of intersection of the events x equals 0 and y equals 0 is the probability that x is 0 and x squared is 0, which is the same as just probability that x is 0, so it's 1/3. While the probability that x is 0 times the probability that y is equal to 0 is 1/3 times 2/3, and that's 1/9, and that's not equal to 1. And so it's answer C. Please remember this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries, but it's really a copy of a problem that I created in 2004, although this is a relatively simple thing that probably a lot of people noticed before. This is a problem from a sample published by Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.